to send direct message on Instagram. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can send direct message on Instagram. To initiate a conversation on Instagram, the first step is to open the Instagram application on your device. Once you're in, direct your attention to the messenger icon situated at the top of the screen. By clicking on this icon, you will be transported to the messaging space. Now to start a direct message, locate the send a message option within this space. If you know the person you want to message, you can also streamline the process by using the search function. Click on the search box, enter the name of the person you are looking for, and once their profile appears, click on it to open. Upon clicking the profile, you will be directed to the person's chat page. Here you have the option to send them a message directly. Whether it's a casual chat, sharing updates, or sending multimedia content, the messaging feature on Instagram offers a versatile platform for communication. So this is how you can send direct message to someone on Instagram. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.